In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change reference styles in Zotero Reference Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch citation formats right from Microsoft Word and apply them to the sources you insert into your document. Start by opening your document in Word. With your file ready, look along the top ribbon for the Zotero tab. This tab appears after you've set up the Zotero Word plugin, and it's where you'll control how citations look in your paper. Click the Zotero tab to reveal the toolbar. Next, click Add Edit Citation. This is the command you'll use whenever you want to place a citation in the text. If it's the first time you're adding a citation in this document, Word in Zotero will prompt you to confirm the citation style you want to use. Picking the correct style here ensures that both your in-text citations and your bibliography will follow the right rules, such as author date for APA or superscript numbers for Vancouver. When the style window opens, choose the citation style required by your instructor, journal, or organization. You'll see common options like APA, MLA, or Chicago, along with many others. If you're unsure, check your assignment or author guidelines before proceeding so you don't have to reformat later. Once you've highlighted the style you want, click OK to apply it to this document. Zotero will remember this choice and format all citations and the bibliography accordingly. You can always repeat this process to switch styles later if your requirements change. After confirming the style, you'll see Zotero's citation box. You can search in here by typing an author name, a title keyword, or even a year. As you type, Zotero suggests matching items from your library. Select the correct reference, and Zotero will insert it following the style you selected a moment ago. If you prefer browsing instead of searching, you can choose the item directly from your library view. Use the library option to navigate through your collections, pick the exact reference you need, and then click Accept to confirm. This is especially helpful when you're working with multiple editions or similar titles and want to verify details at a glance. That's it. You opened Word, went to the Zotero tab, clicked Add Edit Citation, selected your citation style, confirmed with OK, and then either searched for a source or chose it from your library and clicked Accept. From now on, Zotero will keep your citations and bibliography consistent with the style you chose, saving you time and ensuring professional formatting throughout your document.